counting my money because I'm bored. Wanna make a movie like A24. I just watched Climax by A24. Why the fuck they let that baby stay behind that door? Why the fuck that baby didn't get out from behind the door? If I was that baby, I'd be like, get me out of this door. I'm a baby tripping on acid and I'm behind the door. Why is this baby on acid and why is it behind this door? Hey yo, I just watched another A24 movie called The Lobster. At no point in the movie did I see a lobster. Colin Farrell said if he was an animal, he'd be a lobster. There was a lighthouse and a lighthouse, but no lobster in the lobster. What the fuck Robert Pattinson saw when he saw that light? I bet when he looked in that light, he saw a honeybee. I bet when he looked in that light, it was just perk 15. Or when he looked in the light, he saw a replay of the seagull scene. Yo, why was he so fucking mean? Why was he so mean to the seagulls in that scene? You wouldn't do that to a beagle, so why'd you do it to a seagull? Hey yo, Uncut Gems, I'm fucking
Julia Fox.
Uncut Gems, but she want uncut cocks. Hey yo, Uncut Gems, I'm snorting uncut rocks. That's a good time. I just watched Good Time. Bottle rob a bank, have a good time. Drink a whole Sprite bottle of acid, that's a good time. Jump off the fucking roof of the hotel, that's a good time. Yeah, throwing big numbers. Smoking mid in the summer like it's midsummer. It gets very scary. In my genes, DNA, it's just hereditary. We could take it there. I'ma kill the beat like it's a sacred deer. Bitch, I've been grimy. Smoking mid in the 90s, call that mid 90s. Who raps the hardest? All your friends, little kids like disaster.